I bought and tested these keto meal replacement shakes so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're on a keto journey like me, you know how important it is to find the right products that not only taste good, but also support your weight loss goals. Let's dive into the top 5 options that can help you stay on track.
Product number 1, Jocko Milk Protein Shake. When I first tried the Jocko Milk Chocolate Protein Shake, I was immediately captivated by its rich flavor. As someone who often struggles to get enough protein in my diet, this ready-to-drink shake seemed like a perfect solution. The convenience factor is massive. Just grab it from the fridge and go. Having 30 grams of grass-fed protein, I felt reassured that I was giving my body the necessary fuel it craved after workouts. The blend of milk protein concentrate and calcium caseinate worked wonders for muscle recovery. One of the highlights for me is that it's sugar-free, sweetened with monk fruit and Reb M, which means I can indulge in chocolate without worrying about my carb intake. Plus, being hormone and soy-free made me feel like I was making a healthier choice. However, if you're sensitive to dairy, you might want to be cautious. Pros: the taste is fantastic and it's easy to digest. The amino acids included also boost my energy levels and help with muscle growth. On the downside, the price might be a bit steep for those on a budget, and it only comes in chocolate flavor. Overall, I think it's worth the investment if you're serious about your fitness journey. The Jocko Milk Protein Shake is perfect for anyone seeking a convenient, high-quality protein source without the sugar spikes. If you want to support your muscle growth and recovery on keto, this shake is a solid choice.
Product number 2, Upnourish Strawberry Banana Vegan Protein Powder. Experimenting with the Upnourish Strawberry Banana Vegan Protein Powder was a refreshing experience. The first thing that struck me was the incredible blend of 54 superfoods packed into this powder. It felt like I was treating my body to a nutrient-rich smoothie rather than just a protein shake. The convenience of having a low-carb, vegan option is a huge plus, especially for someone like me who occasionally dips into plant-based eating. Mixing it with almond milk created a creamy, delicious shake that I enjoyed post-workout or even as a quick breakfast. With 21 grams of plant-based protein and 1.5 billion CFU probiotics, I felt my gut health improve and my energy levels sustained throughout the day. The lack of sugar and artificial flavors was a relief, and I appreciated the allergen-free aspect, making it safe for a wide range of diets. On the flip side, some may find the taste a bit too fruity or artificial if you're used to more traditional protein powders. Additionally, the texture can be a bit grainy if not mixed thoroughly. Despite these minor drawbacks, I believe it's an excellent option for anyone looking for a meal replacement that's not only healthy, but also supports a keto or vegan lifestyle. The Upnourish powder is great for those who want a versatile, nutrient-dense shake that's easy to customize to your taste. Product number 3, Fat Fuel Keto Coffee. I was excited to try the Fat Fuel Keto Coffee because I'm a huge coffee lover, and combining my morning brew with a meal replacement seemed like a dream come true. The first sip was nothing short of heavenly. It has a creamy, decadent flavor that truly satisfied my coffee cravings. With 22 grams of healthy fats from grass-fed butter and MCT oil, I instantly felt an energy boost without the jitteriness that often accompanies caffeine. What impressed me the most was how it kept me full for hours. Just one serving, packed with only one net carb, allowed me to power through my busy mornings without reaching for unhealthy snacks. The convenience of the instant coffee powder is also a game changer. I could easily toss a packet in my bag for on-the-go consumption. However, if you're not a fan of dark roast coffee, you might want to approach this one with caution. The strong coffee flavor might overwhelm those who prefer lighter blends. Additionally, the price point might put it out of reach for some. Overall, I highly recommend the Fat Fuel Keto Coffee for those who are serious about their keto diet and love coffee. It's a fantastic way to get in healthy fats, enjoy a delicious drink, and maintain your energy levels throughout the day without the carbs. Product number 4, Berry Slim High Protein Shake in Chocolate. Trying the Berry Slim High Protein Shake in chocolate was a delightful experience. As someone who appreciates a good chocolate flavor, I was pleasantly surprised at how indulgent it tasted. It's specifically formulated for bariatric patients, which gives it an edge in terms of nutritional balance. With 15 grams of protein and only 100 calories per serving, it felt like a guilt-free treat that could easily replace a meal.
The low sugar and low carb content aligned perfectly with my keto goals, making it easy to integrate into my daily routine. I loved the fact that it was packed with 25 essential vitamins and minerals, which made me feel like I was nourishing my body while enjoying a dessert-like shake. The preparation was simple. Just mix it with water or milk and it's ready to go. However, it's worth noting that some might find it a bit too sweet, and the texture can be slightly thicker than other shakes I've tried. In conclusion, the Berry Slim High Protein Shake is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable meal replacement that's not only tasty, but also supports weight management and post-surgery recovery. If you're seeking a smooth, chocolatey option that delivers on nutrition without the unnecessary calories, this shake is definitely worth trying.
Product number 5. Berry Slim High Protein Shake Vanilla. The Berry Slim High Protein Shake in Vanilla was another treat that I thoroughly enjoyed. Just like its chocolate counterpart, this shake is designed for bariatric patients, but packs enough punch in terms of nutrition to appeal to anyone on a keto journey. With 15 grams of protein and only 100 calories, I found it to be a satisfying meal replacement that helped curb my cravings. The vanilla flavor was smooth and creamy, making it perfect for mixing with different fruits or even adding to smoothies for extra nutrition. I appreciated the simplicity of the ingredient list. It felt reassuring knowing I was consuming something free from artificial additives. The fact that it contains 25 essential vitamins and minerals really boosted my confidence in choosing this shake as a meal replacement. On the downside, the vanilla flavor might not be as exciting for those who prefer bolder tastes, and some may find it a bit lacking in sweetness compared to other shakes. Overall, the Berry Slim High Protein Shake in Vanilla is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to maintain a balanced diet while enjoying a delicious shake. It's great for on-the-go meals and helps keep your nutrition on point without sacrificing taste.